feels weak when I try to stand strong, but I feel so tired inside when the pressure keeps building and I don't feel in control. I remember your promise, you will never let me go. Even now you are here, I don't have to fear. You anchor my soul when I lose control. You steady my heart, you won't let me fall. When life gets hard, I'm not alone. I stand in your love, you anchor my soul. When the road feels heavy and I can't see clear, when I try to keep going but I'm fighting my fears, every time I feel broken, every time I fall down, you lift me up again, you don't let me drown. Through it all you remain, you don't ever change. You anchor my soul when I lose control. You steady my heart, you won't let me fall. When life gets hard, I'm not alone. I stand in your love, you anchor my soul. You hold me down, you keep me strong, right by my side where I belong. You anchor my soul when I lose control. You steady my heart, you won't let me fall. No matter what, I always know I'm safe in your love. You anchor my soul. You anchor my soul. You anchor my soul.